Welcome everyone. Today we start learning Italian and English together with Rivo, beginning with the verb parlare in Italian, to speak in English. In Italian we say io parlo italiano, and in English I speak Italian. So let's practice simple sentences together step by step. Page 4. Parlare, to speak. In Italian, io parlo, in English I speak. Tu parli, you speak. Lui, lei parla, he, she, it speaks. Noi parliamo, we speak. Voi parlate, you speak. Loro parlano, they speak. Io parlo, io parlo. In English, I speak. Tu parli, you speak. Lui parla, he speaks. Lei parla, she speaks. Noi parliamo, we speak. Voi parlate, you speak. Loro parlano, they speak. Simple sentences in Italian and English. In Italian, io parlo italiano. In English, I speak Italian. In Italian, tu parli con Marco. In English, you speak with Marco. Italian, lei parla inglese. English, he speaks English. Italian, noi parliamo al telefono. English, we talk on the phone. Italian, loro parlano troppo. English, they talk too much. Again, io parlo italiano. Io parlo italiano. I speak Italian. Tu parli con Marco. Tu parli con Marco. You speak with Marco. Lei parla inglese. Lei parla inglese. She speaks English. Noi parliamo al telefono. We talk on the phone. Noi parliamo al telefono. We talk on the phone. Loro parlano troppo. They talk too much. Loro parlano troppo. They talk too much. Noi parliamo al telefono. We talk on the phone. Noi parliamo al telefono. We talk on the phone. Loro parlano troppo. Loro parlano troppo. They talk too much.
The book is called Rivo. You can buy it from Amazon.